In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your OpenAI API key to Cursor AI 2025. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate the powerful capabilities of OpenAI into your Cursor AI experience seamlessly and efficiently. First things first, you want to start by launching Cursor AI. This is your initial step to get into the program where everything will take place. You'll want to ensure that Cursor AI is fully loaded and ready to go. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find the Settings option easily within the interface, typically represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Within the settings, you'll need to locate the section labeled Models. This is where you can manage various integrations and functionality options for different AI models available in Cursor. Clicking on the Models section will bring you to the necessary area where you'll be able to input your OpenAI API key. Now, in the Models section, scroll down until you find the API Keys section. Be sure to take your time here to ensure you don't accidentally skip over this part. If the API Keys section is collapsed, remember to expand it. This can usually be done by clicking an arrow or plus sign next to the section title. Once you've expanded the API Keys section, you need to locate the specific field designated for the OpenAI API key. It should be labeled clearly, helping you easily spot where to paste your information. Have your OpenAI API key at the ready, and when you find this field, paste your valid API key directly into it. Next, you will see a Verify button adjacent to the API key input field. This step is crucial as it ensures that the key you've entered is valid and functioning. Click that button to initiate the verification process. It's always a good idea to double-check your API key before this step to avoid any unnecessary verification failures due to a typo or incorrect entry. Cursor AI will now attempt to validate the key. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. If everything checks out correctly, you'll receive a notification that your API key has been successfully verified. Once your key is validated, it will be enabled for use, allowing you to access the enhanced features and capabilities of OpenAI's models through Cursor AI. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you will have successfully integrated your OpenAI API key into Cursor AI 2025, giving you the power to leverage sophisticated AI models in your projects. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the new features at your fingertips.